What's up everyone? This is Todd with Lawson Workhorse Group, and today we're going to talk about something that we've been seeing a huge uptick of lately. Well, I bought a printer from I don't know where. They promised me they'd give me help. Come to find out, yeah, they'll give you help, but it's while you're sleeping. Does nobody any good. Seen a lot of them come through here. So what I'm here to tell you about today is, because of all this, we've had this huge uptick of people with either bad printers, nobody to help them, they're lost, don't know much about artwork. It's all right. We've started a DTF class. So give us a holler, call us on the phone, shoot us an email. We'll explain to you what we're going on. We're doing cool stuff like this here, working with halftones. We're going to show you how to make colors brighter, talk to you about how to press the shirt, your underbasing, anything you can think of with DTF. Just give us a call, shoot us an email, and we'll get you the details.